Today we'll be mounting this happy Adventure-Spec side and rack support for Tenere. As you can see, I have a different one, and I will tell you why Adventure-Spec design is much better than any other on the market. This one is looking pretty well, but it has a couple of problems. That's why I am changing to Adventure-Specs, which is better quality. And yeah, with the issues here, first of all, the edges are very sharp. So as you can see, I taped some silver tape, duct tape here, just to prevent from cutting of the stripes for your luggage. But yeah, the edges are so sharp that after 2 seasons probably my straps would be cut, so it's very bad. And here, as you can see, all the edges, these edges are not sharp, so you won't cut it, you won't cut any of your luggage support. And the other issue is the design of this is not the best. It's super complicated to mount it. In Adventure-Specs you mount rack support and side panels only to these two spots, but here you can see there is some extra support for this, and you need to cut part of your bike and all the stuff. And as you can see, there is not enough space here between the plastic and this rack, so it's hard to, for example, put the strap here. If you have clips, it's impossible to go between these. There's not enough space. In Adventure-Specs we'll have much more space, and also there is this bar, which will be very nice because you can sometimes grip your bike when you need to take it off. And here I don't have any space where only this one. You don't have thing to carry your bike, and with this design you will easily take this and you can take off your bike from the mud or something. As you can see, this, for example, this bolt here, it doesn't go as it should. There's a space here. As you can see, with the other brands, you need to take off all the panels and mount this part and cut the part of your motorcycle plastics here. And now we'll remove this one because we won't need it anymore. As you can see, there are some crazy ideas behind this. This is very heavy and we don't need that actually. Here's the cut part. So now I will have these ugly holes. So here are all the parts from Adventure-Spec, and this one comes with this rack, rear rack, and this stuff and this goes with the side panels. So since we have it all, I guess we won't need this one, this spacer, and we will use this one instead here. Oh no, actually, as you can see, normally this should go here. So the difference is only this part here. So we will need only this here. I'm guessing now, but we'll see in a moment. And this should go in the front. So here, instead of this, we'll use this one. So we won't need this side panel spacers. We'll use only these two. And with the screws, probably we won't need. Oh, actually, we probably will need. Let me see. No, it's the same. So probably we don't need this. Yeah, this go to side. So it looks very easy. Let's mount it on the bike. Smooth and easy. So yeah, this is how it presents. As you can see, we have quite enough of space here. We have these cool bars for putting our bike up once we go down, and yeah, there is a lot of space here, so we can easily use any straps